Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to tell you how you can fix a corrupt file. And here is the corrupt file. I just tried to open it, but you can see it is not opening in any of the media players I currently have. But if you just hover onto this, you will see that it has 1.73 GB of data. In order to fix it, you need one utility which is called DGFX, and I will put the link in the description from where you can download it. And here actually is a place from where you can download it, like here. And what you have to do is to go to CMD, that is the command prompt, right click on it and run it as an administrator. Just hit yes, and you need the address to this folder. Just go in the address bar and click on that, then just Control and C to copy it, and then use this command which is CD for change directory, and then hit Control or V, or you can also right click your mouse to just paste it there and hit OK. So this is how you change the directory in CMD. You can see now we are inside this very folder, and since you have the DGF folder, DGFX utility there, just write down DGFX to prompt it to run, and then put down the name of this file, and make sure you also include the extension and hit OK. Now you can see it is trying to fix it, and meanwhile you can see in the background it has created one file which is .h264 format, and we might need to convert it to another format because only VLC player can run it, but in order to make it usable inside some video editing software, you need to convert it to some other format. So you can see, okay, our repairing process is over. Now I have one video converter which is called Program for PC Video Converter Pro. You can download it and then just go to this file, drag it over to this, or you can also add it from here, from this option called add video. Now you can see, okay, this is your file, and you can see it is 2.7K, so which is actually the format I shot in. And now you can go down here to video option, and you have multiple options available, and I'm going to use MP4 because I'm working on MP4 files for other files. So just convert it, and it is going to put it there in the videos folder, which is here. So I can just copy it later, so just hit convert, and it will take some time, but your file will be ready to be imported in some video editing software, and you can work on it. Thank you very much for watching. Do subscribe to my channel and share with others.